1. 1970 Ford F-150, $1,800, Denver Thornton, Colorado. This 1970 Ford F-150 pickup truck offers a promising restoration opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable classic. The truck comes with a running engine and a newly installed carburetor, ensuring that the drivetrain is functional. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers ease of use for potential owners. However, it's important to note that the title is missing, and the sale will be completed with a bill of sale only. The truck's condition and low price make it a viable candidate for someone ready to invest time and effort into restoration. 2. 1977 Ford F-250 Camper Special Super Cab, $4,000, Paoli, Colorado. This 1977 Ford F-250 Camper Special Super Cab is a classic heavy-duty truck in fair condition, perfect for restoration enthusiasts. It features a Ford 400 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs but requires head gasket work, as coolant has mixed with the oil. It includes a full set of newer tires and an extra set of wheels. The truck retains stock features such as air conditioning, heat, and cruise control, and it's configured for towing with multiple electrical hookups. While rust and cosmetic imperfections exist, its clean title and potential as a project vehicle make it an excellent choice for a hands-on owner. 3. 1967 Chevrolet C10 Step-Side Short Bed, $6,700, born in Texas. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 Step-Side Short Bed is a quintessential example of a vintage American pickup. Equipped with a smooth-running inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, this truck offers a nostalgic driving experience. The frame is solid, but the body requires work. The engine runs well, and the truck has been driven around the yard, although the brakes need attention, and the fuel system would benefit from a flush. With its clean title and iconic design, this truck presents a fantastic opportunity for someone interested in a classic restoration project. 4. 1963 Ford F-250, $4,700, Lakeside, Arizona. This 1963 Ford F-250 is a long bed step-side pickup truck with a 292 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives but requires brake and electrical work. Its body is mostly straight and all original, though the tires are dry rotted and will need replacing. It's being sold with a clean Arizona title. This vehicle's vintage styling and solid mechanical base make it an appealing project for classic truck enthusiasts or those seeking a trade for another vintage vehicle. 5. 1968 Chevrolet Truck, $7,500, Aurora, Missouri. This 1968 Chevrolet truck is a rare find with a sentimental story. It served as the owner's high school vehicle. Featuring a low-mileage engine installed roughly 10 years ago, this truck has been preserved but unused for several years. With fewer than 5,000 miles on the engine, the truck remains a solid base for restoration. Its clean title and status as a cherished classic add to its appeal, making it an excellent candidate for someone looking to revive a piece of automotive history. 6. 1973 Chevrolet Truck, $8,700, Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1973 Chevrolet truck is a sturdy workhorse with a rebuilt 350 V8 engine that runs strong. The truck includes a box of old parts, offering additional value for restoration work. While specifics about its condition are limited, the clean title and robust engine make it a reliable platform for a restoration project. With its simple yet durable design, this truck offers an authentic classic driving experience. 1969 Chevrolet C10, $7,500, Everett, Washington. Owned by the same individual for over 30 years, this 1969 Chevrolet C10 has been well maintained, spending its life in a garage or carport. It features a rebuilt engine with approximately 8,000 miles and numerous upgrades, including new bumpers, lenses, gas tank, dash cluster, and door panels. The truck does show some rust and wear typical for its age, but it remains functional and roadworthy. This classic truck is perfect for someone looking for a reliable driver with vintage charm. 8. 1954 Ford F-350 service truck, $5,500, Plains, Montana. This 1954 Ford F-350 is a distinctive one-ton dually with potential for promotional or restoration purposes. Powered by a stock 279 V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives well. The truck features a solid body with minimal rust, newer 14-ply tires, and updated brakes and bearings. Its 8.8-foot bed and locking compartments make it versatile for utility or display purposes. With its clean title and frequent use, this truck represents a unique opportunity for a vintage work vehicle. 9. 1987 Chevrolet S10, $5,000, Richmond, Virginia. This 1987 Chevrolet S10 is a performance-oriented compact pickup featuring a 350 V8 engine with upgraded components, including roller rockers, a comp cam, and an Edelbrock carburetor. The TH400 transmission has 68,000 miles, while the body has 238,000 miles. Despite its mileage, the truck is in good condition with minimal rust and a clean title. Its sporty upgrades and reliable build make it a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a high-performance classic. 10. 1984 Chevrolet S10 2DD Standard Cab, $5,800, Gallatin, Tennessee. This 1984 Chevrolet S10 stands out for its low mileage, just 37,721 original miles, and meticulous maintenance. Powered by a 2.8-liter V6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, it features a clean blue interior and functional amenities like manual windows, locks, and a Pioneer stereo. Recent upgrades include a new set of all-season tires and front-end alignment. This truck is an excellent example of a well-preserved vintage vehicle, ideal for collectors or those seeking a dependable classic daily driver.